This card by WowBefun is a really great card to send to someone that you love or care about romantically. It comes on a really heavy cardstock, very solid. The print is really clear and crisp, and the inside is blank. But like I said, this is really, really sturdy cardstock. And it also comes with a brown envelope that is also very thick and sturdy. You can go ahead and just give this to someone by hand, or you can mail it. It does not have any glue along the edges of the envelope flap, so if you're going to mail it or you want it to stay closed without tucking it necessarily, you're going to need to tape it or put a little sticker here. But if you are looking for a card to give to your loved one that is not necessarily found in the grocery stores, I 100% recommend this one.